This, my friends, is the Logitech Bluetooth Adapter, and it is something you should really consider getting. What it does is it turns all your speakers into wireless Bluetooth enabled speakers. That's right, you heard me right, no more cables. It's tiny, simple, and very effective. We have the Bluetooth button at the top, 3.5mm jack, RCA jack, and a power input at the back. Now to get it going, it's very simple. Power on the adapter, connect your speakers to either the 3.5mm jack or the RCA jack in the adapter using the RCA to 3.5mm converter provided by Logitech. Press the Bluetooth button on the adapter and confirm on your phone. That's it. No more fiddling around wires. You now have wireless music for life. Congratulations. The music sounds good through Bluetooth, but that really depends on the speakers that you use in the first place. The adapter also has pretty good range, but it doesn't auto-connect or auto-play, which is my personal preference, but that's just me. I really love this adapter. It's tiny, has RCA input, which is fantastic, supports multi-point Bluetooth pairing, and works with speakers, stereo systems, and audio-video receivers without any problem. Okay, I have just one negative. I would have loved some idiot-proof pairing, but maybe I'm just asking a bit too much for the price. But other than that, I can't think of any good reason why you shouldn't get this device. So if you have any old speakers lying around in your home, you should really have a look at the Logitech Bluetooth adapter. If you are interested in the adapter, you can find all the links in the description below the like button. You guys think the X300 is a pretty good investment to convert all your wired speakers into wireless speakers? Leave a comment below and let me know. My name is Adi. I will see you guys in the next video.